Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a new project using Pycharm. First, open the Pycharm you have installed. In this window, choose Do Not Import Settings and click OK. In the Set UI theme, select the UI style that you want to keep. I keep Darkulous UI theme. Click on Skip Remaining and Set Defaults. Now you can see a window like this. If you have already created a project, you can open that project by clicking on open. And if you are going to create a new project, click on new project. Now you need to provide your project name in the location text box, and I changed this location by clicking on folder icon. And I'm going to give my project name. Now you can see two options below the location text box. First one is new environment using verctualenv. Second one is existing interpreter. I'm going to select existing interpreter. Now click on the browse button and click on system interpreter. Click on OK. Now click on create button. Click on this close button. Now in the sidebar you can see your project folder. If you need to create a new Python file, click on that project folder, right click on it, go to new, go to Python file. In this window you need to provide the Python file name. I'm going to name it as application1 and hit enter. Now you have created a new Python project and Python file. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to write some codes using this Python file. I'll see you in next video.